Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The topic is Rutherford's atomic model, also known as planetary model of an atom or nuclear atomic model. It was proposed by New Zealand-born physicist Ernest Rutherford in 1911. What is the experiment? That is the Marsden-Geiger experiment. The source in which the radioactive element, usually the polonium, is placed, and it is shielded in a lead block. So this is the representation of polonium. The second thing that was used in the experiment was thin gold foil. A thin gold foil. And the third thing is photographic plate or zinc sulfide coated film. Radioactive element emit alpha particles, alpha rays, which consist of helium nuclei. Right. Here goes the alpha particles which are emitted from the polonium. When these alpha particles pass through the gold foil, after passing through gold foil, they strike at the zinc sulfide coating and causes flash, or in case of photographic film, they causes spots. Marsden was the undergraduate under the supervision of Rutherford and Geiger. He observed the scattering of the alpha particles through thin gold foil or thin gold film by a series of experiments. Therefore, this is known as Marsden-Geiger experiments. Observations. What are the observations that was conducted by the Rutherford in 1911? Majority of alpha particles pass through the gold foil undeflected. This was the observation number 1. Few of the alpha particles are deflected at large angles. This is the second observation. Only a few of them are deflected or rebound back. What are the conclusions that was set by the Rutherford? Most of the space occupied by an atom is empty. That is why the particles passes through undeflected. Second, dense mass nucleus is present having positive particles, which causes the deflection of the alpha particles at large angles. Electrons orbit around the nucleus. What are the defects, that are the limitations which were observed in Rutherford atomic model? According to the classical theory of electromagnetism, electron should radiate energy and jump into the nucleus. If it happens, atom may not exist. Electron should radiate energy continuously to form continuous spectrum, but the line spectrum is formed.